Today I'm cooking Mexican seafood. I'm cooking Mariscos en Salsa Guajillo, or seafood in guajillo sauce, that is shell seafood. I have mussels, calamari, shrimp, and scallops. This combination of shell seafood with guajillo peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and lemon are delicious to die for. So for the next minutes, we'll be making Mariscos en Salsa Guajillo. First, we are going to make the guajillo sauce or salsa. And it's very simple to make it. You have a pan, put a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna be adding garlic, about half of a whole garlic, about 8 pieces of garlic, and 4 guajillo peppers. I have taken the seeds out, and we're going to be slowly frying them in olive oil. Roast them in olive oil to get them a little soft. So that's the first step. Make the guajillo sauce. So this is the first step. After this is done, we'll be adding tomatoes, blend it all together, and we're almost ready to enjoy Mariscos en Salsa Guajillo. Now that the guajillo peppers and garlic are roasted, the next step is to mix them. I'm gonna be adding about 4 Roma tomatoes. And I'm gonna be adding lemon juice or lime juice. I have these little lemons that my brother gave me. They don't have a seed. They're very, very juicy lemons. So I'm gonna be adding about 2 of them, or about a half ounce of lemon juice. These tomatoes are very, very juicy. Let me show you one. They're little tomatoes. I'm sorry, little lemons. I'm talking about lemons. Lemons, lemons, lemons. I don't do retakes, and I don't have an editor to cut and do this and do that. So, correction, lemons. 2 lemons, or the juice of 2 lemons. Look at this. Wow. And about a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm gonna blend all this together, and we're making the sauce or the salsa for our Mariscos en Salsa Guajillo. I'm going to blend it, liquefy it, and then I'm going to go ahead and strain it to make it a very, very fine sauce to add it to our mariscos or shell seafood. The sauce is ready, or salsa. I'm gonna go ahead and put it aside and cook the mariscos. I'm going to be adding olive oil, of course. Little bit of olive oil. And what I am going to be cooking first, or roasting or sauteing or however you want to call it are the shrimps, the calamari, and the scallops. And at the end, I'm going to be adding the mussels. I have already cooked the mussels before. I steam them, so they're ready. So I'm going to be concentrating on the shrimp, the calamari, and the scallops. Oh, this is going to be very, very good. Pretty soon I'm going to be adding onions and the guajillo sauce. I can already taste it. Mariscos en Salsa Guajillo. Wow. A little bit more of olive oil. And we'll be preparing this mariscos to perfection until the shrimp turns pink or red and the calamari are a little crispy. The scallops, I cannot tell you. This is a very easy to prepare, delicious meal. I challenge you. Mariscos en guajillo sauce. Así es. Muy rico, muy sabroso, muy delicioso. Solamente la mejor comida. Wow. This is almost ready. I'm gonna move everything to the side to add room for the mussels. Remember, for this meal, I have already cooked the mussels, already steamed them. Otherwise, it will take a little longer to make this dish. Now, I'm gonna be adding onion, about half an onion to this whole mix. Onions are good. And I'm gonna be adding more garlic. And our guajillo sauce. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. A little bit of water. You can also use red wine if you like to. For now, I'm going to be using water. Just a little bit, about a cup of water. Depending how juicy you like this. Wow. Guajillo peppers and garlic and lemon juice. Very good. This is a great, a fantastic seafood dish. I enjoy it very much. Mariscos en guajillo sauce. Que viva México y los mexicanos. Our meal is ready to enjoy. I'm going to be adding a little bit of cilantro. Si solamente supieras el sabor que tiene esto. If you only knew the flavor, the aromas of this meal. You will want to have it, and I will have it for you. Mariscos en Salsa Guajillo. I have added also rice. I've been cooking white rice. Very, very, very good. Great. Excellent. I really challenge you to make this. This is easy to make, pretty quick, pretty fast, and super delicious. All the work that you might be doing to make this is worth the effort. This is what the pleasures of cooking is about. To cook what you like, to cook something extraordinarily delicious. To go to market, to pick it up, to think about it, to cook it, to cut it. And I'm enjoying. That was my refrigerator that I left it open, so I better close the door. Okay, so going back, I'm having mariscos en salsa guajillo with a very inexpensive but good white wine from Spain. Tienen duende. Wow. One of these days we're gonna talk about duendes. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your suggestions. And just so you know, one of these times I will be making oso boca, just per your suggestion. But until then, enjoy. Thank you.